Good afternoon. Today we are going to see about median of a data. The formula of median is L plus n by 2 minus class frequency divided by frequency into h. We are going to see a example sum. Find the following table gives the distribution of the lifetime of 400 neon lamps. Lifetime and number of lamps. For 1500 to 2014 lamps, and for 2000 to 2556, 2500 to 3060, 3000 to 3586, 3500 to 4074, 4000 to 4562, 4500 to 5048. So here we have to divide the column into three. One, lifetime and number of lamps, cumulative frequency. So lifetime is 1500 to 2000 for 14, and cumulative frequency is 14, and 2000 to 2556 we have to add the before one and this one. So 14 plus 56 is 70. Then next 2500 to 3060, so before one is 70, 70 plus 60 is 130. 3000 to 3500 lamps are 86, the before one is 130, so 130 plus 86 is equal to 216. So 3500 to 4074, the before one is 216, so 216 plus 74 is 290. 4000 to 4500, 62, 290 plus 62 is 352. 4500 to 5048, 352 plus 48 is 400. So the total number of lamps of 400. Median class is 3000 to 3500. Lower limit of median class is 3000. Frequency of median class is 86, and cumulative frequency is 130. Class size is 500. So we have to imply the formula. So median formula is L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. We have to substitute the numbers. So 3000 plus 200 minus 130 divided by 86 into 500. So 3000 plus 70, when we subtract 200 and 130, we will get 70. So 70 into 500 divided by 86. The answer is 3046.976. The answer. Thank you.